Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to unblock anyone from your Twitter block list. So let's get started. First of all, launch on your Twitter account. Guys, I would like to request you that if you are new here, please subscribe my channel, also bell button. Now if you want to unblock anyone from your block list, so just tap on the top left corner three line. Here you can see this three line menu bar option, so just tap it. And now you need to go settings and privacy. On the down here you can see settings and privacy, so just tap it. And after that here you can see privacy and safety, so just tap on this privacy and safety. And after that you need to scroll down, and here you can see blocked account, so just tap on this block account. And here you can see all block list ID, so just select your ID, and right side here you can see blocked option, so just tap on this and it's unblocked. So in this way you can unblock anyone from your Twitter account block list. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.